It's also a behavior of numbers in the base 10 place value that we use, that only one column can have one-digit numbers. So we can use a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Once we get to 10, the way that a 10 looks is a split into a 1, 10, and 0, 1s. 11 really is 1, 10, and 1, 1. So at any given time, each of the columns can only house one-digit numbers at a time. So if you have too many of the dots in one of the columns, as I've shown here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 dots. It is not possible for me to put an 18 in the ones column. The ones column can only hold either the 8 or the 1, which means that this number would have to spread out to be this, with a 1, 10, and an 8. But how is that explained to a child who says, I counted 18, it's 18, and they are correct. But the placement, the place value says that when you get beyond 9, you need to bundle these and push them to the next column. In other words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This can be grouped or bundled. It's really a 10. It really belongs in this column over here. And when it goes over there, it is represented by one stick. So at this point, and this is that 10 stick. I'll actually, there. So it doesn't look like the numeral 1. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 are left in this column, which is fine. We can have that one-digit number, and we have one stick. So bundling or grouping and passing it on to the next column to just hold one single digit is really the beginnings of what we were used to when we said carrying. So this would be basically 8, carry the 1 to the tens column, and it would be 18. Now I've put 12 dots in that column, and with the sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we're going to need to bundle, because this is way over. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This gets bundled, and it comes over here as a stick. The 2 dots that are left can stay. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks. Those get bundled and come over here as a cube. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks, that's fine. And now we have one cube over here. We've got 10 sticks is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's why it belongs in the hundreds column. And when we count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's 110. That's why it belongs in this column. So our number, instead of being all scrunched over here, as before we had 12, and that was 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This would be 14 tens and 12 ones. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It needed to be spread to the columns. 142 is the way we understand, base 10 math people understand the value of that many dots, lines, and cubes.